Hi everyone. I've got a problem with my door lock mechanism, and basically when it closes it won't open up. There is a problem with the mechanism itself. So been looking videos on YouTube and everything, and basically there's no easy way to kind of do it. You have to take everything apart and making it more complicated. What I'm going to try today is kind of demonstrate by cutting with the angle grinder over here in this area and not damaging the old lock all the way down in here, and make it basically a hole and can access through it straight away. They made this kind of compartment like that to make it more complicated for people who are trying to do a DIY or do their cars by themselves and spending more time by opening more screws and more bolts and window runners and everything. So I'll try that and I'll let you know in the next video. Thank you.